Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to the Nicery 101 channel. So today we are doing a quick project which will be great to sell, and it will also be great as a gift. So it's a very nice headband that we are making, and when I saw this fabric, this is the first project that came to mind. So yeah, two pieces of this, which is 18 inches by 7 inches. So the short end is 7 inches, and the length is 18 inches. So I cut two pieces of that, and I have this 3 inches by 12 inches, one of that, and 6-inch piece of 1 inch elastic. So that's what we are doing. Let's do this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this like this and sew it the same to this one and this as well. Okay, we do the next one. Okay. So what we do is to turn all of them inside out.
Also remember that you can press the seam open before turning it inside out.
Okay, so we have this. This is a bit narrow, so I'm going to use this to turn it inside out. Okay, so I lock it in there. Hope it comes out. Okay, good, we got it. So I got these two together with the whole bunch. It came as a set. There was about, I think, 2 of this and the rest, which are very useful. I got it on Amazon, and I'll be leaving the link in the description just in case you need it. It has these big needles and all that, so it will be of use. The blue thing I think is to thread drawstrings. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description just in case you want it. So what I'll do next is I'll use the iron to press all the 3, and I'll make sure the line is in the center. Okay, so I have my little iron here. Is good for doing heat press. It's a heat press, let me say, tiny heat press. I'll leave the link to this one too in the description. It's very fun to use just in case you want it. So let's press it. I got all from Amazon. Yeah, it works really well, and I just love using it. Okay, one down. Let's go to the next one. Press it in the middle. One more to go. Okay. Okay. Let me put it off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the elastic in here. So I'll use one of the tools. This one will be great. So I'll put it on here, then I'll push this one to hold it. Then I'll thread it through. In order not for it to go through, I'll pin the end. Let me see, just like this is fine. Before I finish pulling the remaining through it. And once it gets here, I pull this back and pin that end too, so that it can stay secured. So what we are going to do now is we are going to cross this and this like this. Make sure that the line, the stitch line, is hidden inside. So the stitch line is here, yeah. And mostly, to make it easy, you just fold it like this, hiding the stitch line, the wrong side to the wrong side. Then we'll take this, make sure it's right side to right side. Where the stitch line is the wrong side, so that one is away from you. Where there is no stitch line, you put this on, then you fold it towards where the stitch line is. You can pin it, yeah, then you stitch on it. Remember to remove the pin so that you don't stitch on it. Okay, so a couple of times to make sure that it's secured. Now what I'm going to do here is, now remember the stitch lines, you hide them. So I'll put this one here like this, put it on here. Okay, and now I'll put right side to the right side. And fold it towards the line. Fold this one too towards the line. Then you stitch on it. A couple of times to make sure it's secured. Now you can just turn it. And turn this one too. Stretch it out. And yay! We have It's like this rather, yeah. For this one to go to the inside, yeah. So yeah, we have our super cute headband. Yeah, this would be great as gift, and you can make this to sell when you are going to markets and all that, or you can sell it online on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace. You can make this to sell. Yeah, I hope you like it. If you like this, give me a comment in the description. How do you like it? Do you have any questions? Yeah, it's exciting to be back and doing tutorials again. Yeah, so please, if you've made it this far, kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to the channel. Like and share, and always remember to hit the notification bell button and choose the first one that is in the black or black color, so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be one of the first people to receive the notification. Thank you so much. See you soon in another video. Bye. Have a wonderful time.